This is the new tarp setup. All these beds here. I'm gonna have more, probably 5 to 10 more here. And my weed whacker has died, so I'll come back once it's fixed and mow the rest down. Tarp up all the new buckwheat and make sure it doesn't self-seed to be a perpetual weed for next year. It's already flowering. It's not quite gone to seed yet, which is good, but we're close. We're within a week or two. Some of them are pretty tall. Like that's just past my knees, I'd say. And we've mowed down what we could here. I've covered as much as I can take down with the weed whacker. This will all be nice and organic, fresh dirt for me to till and work in new beds. Next up, I wanted to try this little earthway seeder I picked up at a thrift store. I'm sowing in some microgreen pea shoots just as an experiment. See there, it didn't really lay it too deep because the dirt isn't too flat, so be covering it up, and worth trying before I use this fully next week. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.